Bicycles have come a long way, from simple two-wheelers to high-tech machines packed with innovation. Whether you're a daily commuter, a mountain trail explorer, or just someone who loves a good ride, the world of cycling is constantly evolving. And the latest inventions prove it. From smart bikes that track your every move, to foldable designs that fit in your backpack, and even futuristic concepts that look straight out of a sci-fi movie, these creations are redefining how we think about two wheels. Get ready to be amazed as we take a closer look at 15 incredible bicycle inventions that are not only changing the way we ride, but also shaping the future of cycling itself. PARKIS City. The PARKIS City feels like someone finally thought about your cramped garage at 7 a.m., the one where lifting your bike feels like a gym session. This clever vertical bike lift requires zero electricity and almost no effort. Just roll your front wheel into its dolly, and an internal spring gently pulls your bike upright. It's built from anodized aluminum and galvanized steel, clean in its industrial design, yet elegant in its simplicity. For e-bikes or heavier bikes, there's a booster set. The City model smartly balances durability and aesthetics. Perfect if you care about function and style. You'll immediately appreciate the saved floor space and goodwill it brings when friends enter your doorway without bumping into wheel rims. Altogether, PARKIS City isn't just a gadget, it's a thoughtful solution for anyone who loves bikes but dislikes clutter. BikeOn. BikeOn is that kind of gadget you wish existed before all those uphill battles or long rides wiped you out. It's a clever electric assist add-on that snaps onto any regular bike in seconds. No tools, no permanent mods needed. Once attached, the system gives you a seamless assist when you need it. Think hills, headwinds, with a torque sensor that feels natural, not jerky. There's a swappable bottle holder style battery too, which keeps things tidy. Plus, the app integration adds neat data, ride tracking, assist modes, so you're not guessing. If you love your bike but want help when things get tough, BikeOn feels like the friend you didn't know you needed. NXS Wireless. The NXS Wireless shifting system feels like a breath of fresh air in the cycling world. Smart, open, and liberating. It lets you convert any mechanical derailleur into a wireless one without getting locked into a brand ecosystem. The compact actuator, or quantum unit, mounts directly onto your derailleur and uses BLE to communicate, giving smooth, responsive shifts. What really wins me over is the open API. The team behind NXS wants you to tinker, integrate, and expand it. For riders who felt hamstrung by pricey, locked-in wireless group sets, NXS offers a smart, affordable, and upgradable path forward. Trek CarBack Bike Radar. The Trek CarBack Bike Radar feels like having a guardian at your saddle, eyes in the back that warn you when vehicles lurk behind. It detects cars up to 240 meters away and shines a rear light visible to 2 kilometers, turning your bike into a safer presence on the road. Setup is delightfully simple, pairing with phones or cycling computers in seconds. The built-in battery gauge and USB-C charging make powering it hassle-free. In rides, I felt more confident, less startled by sudden passes. While battery life could be stronger, CarBack blends tech and safety in a beautifully usable way. VabsRider. The VabsRider isn't just another bike seat. It's a clever rethinking. Its split seat design has 2 halves that move independently, pivoting with your pedaling motion along what they call a virtual axis. The genius lies in shifting pressure away from your sight bones toward your femurs, meaning fewer sore spots after long rides. It's highly adjustable too. Angle, height, width, even fore-aft position, so you can dial it in just how your body needs. On the downside, it's still pre-sale, so you can't just buy one today and try it out. But if the production version lives up to the promise, VabsRider might make long rides that used to end in numbness or discomfort something you actually look forward to. LIVALL PikaBoost 2. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is a compact e-bike conversion kit that effortlessly upgrades your traditional bike. Weighing just 3 kilograms, it installs in under a minute without tools, attaching to your seat post and rear wheel. With a 500-watt peak motor and swappable 158 watt-hours, or 220 watt-hours batteries. It offers up to 96 kilometers of assisted range. Its 4 riding modes, Assist, Eco, Cruise, and Workout, cater to various cycling needs. Safety features include intelligent e-braking, fall detection, and integrated LED rear lights. Whether you're commuting or exploring, the PikaBoost 2 enhances your cycling experience with convenience and performance. Lezyne Ai Alert. Riding late at night used to mean squinting behind me, wondering if a car saw my brake light or thought I was drifting. Then I tried Lezyne Ai Alert tail lights, and it's a little magic. These lights aren't just bright. They know when you're slowing down. Pull the brake and they flash in an active alert mode that says clearly, "Hey, I'm stopping." The Saddle Ai Alert 250 gives up to 250 lumens and can run for around 60 hours in the low-power Femto mode. The build feels solid, IPX7 waterproof, rugged aluminum bits, and wide-angle optics visible from 270 degrees. For someone who bikes through city traffic or dusk, this adds a layer of confidence. Yes, it costs more than a basic light, but if staying visible feels important, and it should, Ai Alert delivers that peace of mind. Skarper Conversion Kit. The Skarper kit felt like magic the first time I saw it clipped onto a regular disc brake bike. You swap out your rear disc rotor with Skarper's disc drive rotor, then click on the battery/motor unit to your chainstay. It takes just seconds, and when you ride, the boost is immediate but smooth. No weird jerky hits, just pedal assistance when you need it. In Eco mode, I saw about 50 kilometers of range, and the turbo gives you that extra push when hills show up. It's lightweight, approximately 3 to 3.5 kilograms, clever in design, and leaves the bike nearly normal when detached. If you love your bike but want more reach without sacrificing ride feel, Skarper feels like the friend that quietly takes you further without messing with what you already love. CeramicSpeed Driven. CeramicSpeed's driven drivetrain idea hits you first with its audacity. No chain, no rear derailleur. Instead, a carbon fiber shaft transfers your pedaling via ceramic-bearing roller pinions to a flat 13-speed cassette. They claim approximately 99% efficiency, with about 49% less friction than a top-flight Dura-Ace chain derailleur setup. Aerodynamically, when mounted on the specialized venge, it brought approximately 3% lower drag, which could translate into gaining a few seconds over 40 kilometers. But, and there's always a but, driven is still very much a concept. There are unanswered questions. How shifts will work under load? Durability over many thousands of kilometers. Weight, cost, and whether the little gains are worth big compromises. If they pull it off though, driven might rewrite the rulebook for drivetrains. Efficiency, aero, elegance, all wrapped in one radical invention. The WALSUN Fingerprint disc lock is a game changer for urban cyclists. Weighing just 220 grams, it's among the lightest in its class, making it easy to carry without compromising on strength. Its advanced capacitive fingerprint sensor unlocks in under 0.5 seconds, storing up to 40 fingerprints for shared access. The integrated design ensures a sleek and compact profile, while its IP65 waterproof rating offers reliable performance in various weather conditions. Ideal for quick stops or daily commutes, this lock combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, providing peace of mind without the bulk. Hiplok SWITCH. The Hiplok SWITCH is a game changer for urban cyclists. Weighing just 935 grams, it's among the lightest in its class, making it easy to carry without compromising on strength. Its advanced capacitive fingerprint sensor unlocks in under 0.5 seconds, storing up to 40 fingerprints for shared access. The integrated design ensures a sleek and compact profile, while its IP65 waterproof rating offers reliable performance in various weather conditions. Ideal for quick stops or daily commutes, this lock combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, providing peace of mind without the bulk. Cyclemate 2.0. If you've ever dreaded long rides due to saddle discomfort, the Cyclemate 2.0 might just change your experience. Its innovative 3D airbag design contours to your hips, distributing pressure evenly and reducing strain on sensitive areas. The cushion's breathable material enhances airflow, keeping you cool and dry during rides. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in comfort. Even on extended journeys, the easy installation ensures a snug fit on most bike seats, making it a convenient upgrade for any cyclist. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a weekend adventure, this cushion promises a more comfortable ride. String drive bikes. The string bike is a striking departure from conventional bicycles. Instead of a chain, it employs Dyneema ropes and a pulley system to transfer pedal power to the rear wheel. This design offers a symmetrical pedal stroke, which some riders find more natural and comfortable. The absence of a chain means no greasy maintenance, and the drivetrain operates quietly. However, the system is heavier and less efficient than traditional setups, with some users noting a slight increase in pedaling resistance. Additionally, the unique design limits compatibility with disc brakes and electric motor integration. While not mainstream, the string bike appeals to those seeking innovation and a distinctive cycling experience. Extrbici Cargo Trailer. The Extrbici Cargo Trailer is a game changer for cyclists seeking to carry more without compromising on mobility. Designed to attach seamlessly to most bikes, it offers a sturdy and spacious cargo area, perfect for hauling camping gear, groceries, or other essentials. Its lightweight construction ensures easy handling, while the robust frame can withstand various terrains. The trailer's compact design allows for effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for urban commuting or off-road excursions. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or running errands, the Extrbici Cargo Trailer enhances your cycling experience by providing added convenience and versatility. CONVOY. The CONVOY e-trailer is a game changer for urban cyclists. Weighing just 12 kilograms, it attaches to your bike in seconds, adding a 250-watt motor and smart steering that follows your every move. With a 50-kilogram cargo capacity, it can carry up to 2 children or a full grocery load. Its self-steering system ensures smooth handling, even through tight corners. The trailer also features a 370 watt-hour battery, providing up to 30 kilometers of electric assist, and integrates with a companion app for real-time tracking and CO2 savings. Ideal for families and city dwellers, CONVOY makes cycling practical and fun.